everyone, Monica Wihangi here, and I am bringing you something that is so beautiful and so sweet just in time for Valentine's Day. So, we are going to be looking at Love Notes. It is a brand new collection from Close to My Heart. Let's take a look. Here we have the gorgeous Love Notes paper and sticker sheet. We also have coordinating cardstock, stamp and thin cuts, all the things, and these exclusive puffy stickers. So let's talk through each one of these so you can see it all up close and see the beauty that is in Love Notes. It's oh so sweet. So let's first take a look at the sticker sheet, shall we? This is a 12 by 12 sticker sheet. You can see this one is done a little differently than our typical sticker sheets. You can see it's done in like a 4 quadrant. Now this is really useful for both card making and scrapbooking, which is so awesome to be able to have the variety and options within each little 6 by 6 square. So you can see lots of fun, different things, but everything coordinates together. Let's take a look under the close-up camera at what comes on the sticker sheet. You've got this beautiful title of flowers. You've got love, airmail, some fun paper airplanes, a little geotag, a label, lots of fun little scatter elements that you can do throughout your projects. Here we have this fun circle tag, love notes. Look at this one with the floral and that white heart. This one says berry sweet with this adorable little bear as another sticker. You've got some fun little buttons that you can use to accent and embellish. Let's take a look at the bottom 2 quadrants here. You can see you've got Be Mine, XOXO, Love, Very Sweet, Cutie, Happy Day. So many fun, vibrant, gorgeous colors, perfect for our Valentine holiday or just any layout that just has a beautiful, lovely, fun, and sweet sentiments on it as well. So, darling. All right, well, let's take a look now at our paper. We have 6 patterned papers that are double-sided, so you get 12 designs, and you can see you get both the fronts and backs that are printed. Ooh, look at that. You got some fun variety and options there. So here is that stripe, and you can see this is the other side of that paper, the back side of it, and you get 2 sheets of each. So then you can decide if you're going to use both of these patterns or mix it up, and everything's meant to be mixed up. We're using our featured colors here are candy apple, espresso mink, peach pine, scarlet seabrook, shortbread toffee, and white daisy. We've also added this element into the zip strip is what we call it, and it's a 1/2 inch by 12 inch little labeling of our paper. See, one side tells you all the details of the paper, the other side we use as a design element that you can then use to embellish more projects, which is so fun. So there's that one. Here's this combo right here. Look at this one. Oh, maybe because it's really bright, let's look under the close-up so you can see some of the details of that. You've got some fun little notes throughout here, some fun little things. How do I love thee? Let me count the ways. Some florals, a little box of chocolates, so you can see that. Some little champagne flutes. Just beautiful little additions there. And it's so subtle. It plays as a neutral for sure. And then you've got this fun little little tiny polka dot pattern here, and with the peach base, which does read pink, doesn't it? A beautiful pink. So you've got some fun candy apple and peach in this zip strip, that floral zip strip right there. So this is the fronts and backs of this paper. Let's just stay here so you can see all those details. Here's the next paper that I have to show you, and here's the back side of that one. Again, there's the zip strip on top, which is a fun little gingham shape pattern. And look at all these fun colorized. You could see a lot of the elements that cross over from paper to paper, but then you see them colorized here. So beautifully done with that adorable little half-smiled teddy bear right there. Darling. And here you can see that fun green that's been incorporated into this. You can see that pine color as well. Just a little accent color, but does help bring that in. Now, you've seen all the papers. We've seen the sticker sheet. Let's take a look at the colored cardstock. We always love to show you our coordinating cardstock packet that we offer. Now, of course, you can buy these all individually out of our catalog or website, but we love putting them together in a special package so you can get a great deal and a discount as well. And we take all the guesswork out for you so that you can see all the colors here. These are the ones that we opted to use to help coordinate with the Love Notes paper collection, and so beautifully done. Now let's go back to the close-up. I'm going to show you the stamp set. Here again, an exclusive stamp set. There's the bear. He's a stamp. Not only is he on the sticker sheet and he's on the papers, but you've got a stamp. So you can color him any way you'd like. Use him on any other project you'd like. Here's your heart-shaped box of chocolates, your floral bouquet. Be mine, I love you, love, will you, with the question mark. Love notes, Valentine, very sweet. And this is so fun, this little like doily pattern here. So some fun little options. You also can purchase this coordinating thin cut, and look at that, you can make your own tiny envelope, you guys. That's so cute, with our metal dies that we call thin cuts. Here's that fun scalloped there. You can see this is for the floral bouquet. Here's the box of chocolates, heart thin cut. This one here, this little medallion down here. And then, of course, our adorable bear has a thin cut. So you want to make sure you get both of those. And you can see we make these right here in Pleasant Grove, Utah, with our own special formula of making stamps. We've been making these for, gosh, I don't know, 20 years or so. So I would say we are experts at the polymer stamps and the great high quality and beautiful, beautiful stamp images as well. Now, last and definitely not least, as part of this exclusive collection, we have the puppy stickers. Look at how gorgeous these are, you guys. I mean, they are beautiful, and they have a fun little texture to them. They have a lift, obviously, you can see, but not too much that they add too much to your layouts or your cards. Oh, let me just try to get those out. There we go. And they kind of have a matte finish to them. They are beautiful in all these different variety colors, shapes, and sizes. You can see from tiny, tiny hearts to medium size to large hearts, all in the different varieties and shades, and they work beautifully together. All right, so now you've taken a look at everything that we have to offer, and we are so excited because if you purchase all of this, the pattern paper, the coordinating cardstock, your stamp and thin cut, and your puppy stickers, you can receive a 20% discount in getting all of the product bundled together and make amazing, gorgeous projects. You can also buy them individually, standalone, so the coordinating cardstock can be purchased full retail price. The paper can be purchased full retail price, puppy stickers, stamps, and thin cuts. And we also will be showing you later on through the month a scrapbooking workshop and a card making workshop featuring love notes, and they are gorgeous. Now, if you want to take a look, you just don't want to wait, go to your website, go to your maker's website, closetomyheart.com, click under promotions, click on love notes, and you'll see all the entire offering right there. We are in love with Love Notes over here. What a perfect start to the year. We're so excited to be offering this as an exclusive special for the month of January and February, but you don't want to wait, because we are known to sell out of things too. So make sure you get your order in as soon as possible, and you get that awesome 20% discount when you purchase the whole entire suite. All right, that is it for me. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Bye.